Hello family, and thanks for stopping by. Today on the menu I have honey mustard chicken, and here are the ingredients. I have orzo, and this is the rice-like pasta. I have salt, pepper, honey, garlic, creamy Dijon mustard, whole grain mustard. I have chicken that I have cut up into squares, chicken broth, I have ham, and I have bacon fat that I reserved. I have heavy whipping cream and parsley. I'm going to take my whole grain mustard, I'm going to take my creamy Dijon mustard, honey, garlic. Ooh, come on out of there, garlic. Some salt. Pepper. And I'm going to mix it together. And then I'm going to add my chicken. Of course, to wash it well. I usually do it about 3 or 4 times. Okay, and now we're going to take this and we're going to set it aside and let it marinate. In this pan, I'm going to add some of my bacon fat, and then we're going to add a little bit more. Sorry. I'm going to add the ham. We're going to stir this around and we're going to cook it till it crisps up. Just keep cooking and stirring until it starts to crisp. And I'll show you when that happens. When it starts to foam like this, then you know you're about there. This is how you want it. Now I'm going to remove it from the pan and set it aside. My water for my orzo is ready. So I'm going to add some salt and my orzo. And I'm going to cook it for 9 minutes. Set your timer. In the same pan I cooked the ham in, I'm going to add my chicken. And we're just going to cook this until it's half cooked and the sauce has gotten kind of thick and bubbly. This is about how you want it to look. See how the chicken is white and the sauce is kind of thick? And now we're going to add some chicken broth. You're going to let that cook down. Okay, it's cooked down a bit, and I decided to add some butter. Always makes things taste better. And then, once that's melted, get this to melt right quick. I'm going to add in the heavy cream, and we're going to let that cook down and thicken. So it's cooked down. I'm going to add some more pepper. I had my grandson taste it. It's honey mustard chicken is his favorite. It's approved. And I'm happy. Now I'm going to add in some orzo. Let me turn this down all the way to low. We're almost there. I love this pasta. Kind of tricks the mind. Makes you think you're eating rice. You can add any type of pasta you like. As a matter of fact, if you don't have the ham and the bacon fat, because I reserve it, I keep it after I fry bacon. I take it and I put it in the refrigerator, and it lasts and lasts and lasts. It's ready for you anytime you need some bacon fat. I'm gonna add no, we can't forget the ham. Gonna toss that together. I think we're about ready. I'm gonna plate this up. And there you have it, honey mustard chicken with orzo. But thanks for hanging out with me. I really appreciated your company. I had a ball. I hope you did too. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for them. Pray for you, pray for us. Then pray again. Don't stop praying. It's all that we have. A hope and a prayer. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Eat well, friends, and be well. Later.